Hi there, this is a demo of Marketplace for Teachers. My name is Neil Peterson and I'm a Project Officer for Developing a Workforce in Edinburgh, Mid Lothian and East Lothian. Marketplace is a tool that can be used by any teacher or educator up and down the country. What I'm going to do today is give you a bit of a run through of some of the different opportunities that are on there and how to book them up and how to find others like that. At the moment, obviously, we are in the middle of the COVID crisis, and for that reason, a lot of the opportunities that are on here are digital opportunities. Obviously, out with the COVID situation, we would be in a place whereby you would be able to book site visits and also to book employers to come into the school. But what we'll do is we'll go through and have a look at all these today and give you an explanation of those. Marketplace is hosted on Skills Development Scotland's My World of Work website. When you come onto the My World of Work website, you simply log in. And if you don't have a login, obviously you can register here too. It's worthwhile registering because there's lots of different things on here as well as Marketplace. You get things like lesson inserts for your different lessons that you might do in career education, some things like CV builders, interview skills, and any sort of career education that might be of relevance to the classroom. So I've got a teacher's account set up here, and when I come into my account on the left-hand side, I can find Marketplace over here. There's two sides to Marketplace. There's the offers side and the ask side. I'm not actually going to touch on the ask side today, the Founders for Schools side, but obviously myself or any of my other colleagues within the DYW team would be more than happy to help you with that. So we're going to look over on the left-hand side here, as I say, at the offers side. So we click down here on search opportunities. And then when you come into Marketplace, what you can do is obviously search in a few different ways. You can search by opportunity type. So if it was going to be a careers event that you're setting up, if you want to arrange a workplace visit, this is obviously where you would search for that here. You can search by location. What I'm going to do for the purposes of this search is I'm going to search within my area here, Edinburgh. You can also search by outcomes. It might be that you want to look at sort of networking. It might be that you want people to look at work-based learning opportunities, and you can search all these different outcomes in here. Age groups or target audiences, so we've got in there college, primary school, broad general education, and the senior phase of high school, so you can search opportunities with that. And finally, by curriculum area, which is pretty self-explanatory. So once we've picked what we want to search for, we're obviously going to search here for Edinburgh. We click update, and what it will do then is it'll bring up the most recent opportunities available within the Edinburgh area. Now, as you can see here, there's many different opportunities that are displayed, and what you can do is go through all these. If you don't find the one that you're looking for on the first page, you've got obviously multiple pages down at the bottom here as well. One opportunity that I'm going to look at is this opportunity here, the Law Society of Scotland. Now, this is a summer school that they would normally run in a physical sense, and people would come in and do this summer school, but obviously, as I said, with the situation just now, many people are doing an awful lot of their opportunities online. So what I do as a teacher is I come in, I can find, obviously, this is provided by the Law Society. I can see what kind of opportunity it is. So this is all about sector awareness within the legal sector. And I can see that it's aimed at secondary pupils in the higher phase of school. I can read a bit of information about the opportunity, obviously find out when it's running, what the sort of times are, again, who the target audience is for it. Explains down here what sector it relates to, the curriculum areas that it might relate to as well, and obviously the outcomes that this opportunity has. And when I come down to the bottom here, I can see that it's available to schools across the whole of Scotland. All the different regions are listed over on the left-hand side here. And obviously then the dates that it's running. Now there's two then options here for me as a teacher. What I can either do is I can simply go ahead and book some places, or I can contact the employer in the first instance if I have some questions. So simply when you do that, it pops up and brings up the employer's email address, and you then get in contact and start a dialogue and ask any questions that you might have possibly about any other people that it's suited to, any other additional needs that your young people might have. You can ask that way. But if you're happy enough just to go ahead and register your interest, you can do so. What My World of Work will do is it'll pull through all of your details to the booking form. So you've got all that bits and pieces in here, obviously filling in the ones that aren't filled in with an asterisk. And then when you're happy enough with that, you simply click register your interest, and that goes off to the employer, who would then get back in touch with you from there. Just to give a bit of an example about some other kind of opportunities that are on there, it won't all be that obviously they've got a set date like that. As I said, a lot of the opportunities just now are things that are on there that are available throughout the year that obviously you would access from a digital platform. This is an example of one such here. This is one that's run by the National Museum Scotland. Now, this one, as you can see, is actually got a target audience from primary school right up to the higher phase of school, so it's quite a broad one, this one. And you can find out a little bit about that before obviously then clicking off to the National Museum of Scotland's website just over here. Again, down at the bottom here, you can see roughly when it's obviously available to. In the museum here, I've made this available until August next year, so you know that these opportunities or these materials are going to be up there for all that time. Again, if you want, you can get in touch with the employer or the contact that's responsible for that opportunity and have a look at that. But yeah, if you wanted to go through, you would simply follow through, and it should then take you off to the National Museum of Scotland website. Obviously, then you can flick through and you can have a look at different opportunities. As you filter it down, you might be able to find out exactly what it is that you're looking for. There's very many opportunities on here that will be of interest to different people, teachers within the school. Things obviously within the craft department, things within finance and maths as well. Many opportunities on here for different age groups and very many different subjects as well. So if you have any questions further to this, please feel free to get in touch with your regional DYW contacts. I'll look out for more videos such as this one in the future. Thank you.